It was the kind of night that made you feel deader than a badger run over by a Hyundai on the freeway, and I was on the hunt for the zebra day when I heard a rumbling in my belly. I knew that I had to do something about this mess, and I went to a grill. I was informed that I should order something called a burger, and I did. Fortunately, I had plenty of money saved for my paper route, and I bought the burger, but I didn't know how to eat it. The man behind the counter had given me plenty of sides, including a plastic bag, but it made my teeth hurt. So I sat down and tried to figure out this riddle. The burger was housed inside a plastic shell, and I didn't know the protocol, so I tried pecking away, but it didn't work. Then I remembered the way that my old man had fed me through the age of 42. I unfastened the lock, and I didn't know what to do with the strange slivers of potato. What hole did I put them in? How could I appease my grumbling belly? Hunger grew as I became more puzzled by this strange practice called eating.